Patrick Cruz is in Manila. Patrick, anong nangyayari dyan ngayon?
Hello Maria, it's past 6:30 in the morning here at Rosauro Almario Elementary School in Tondo, Manila. This is the voting center with the second highest number of registered voters in the Philippines with a total of 46,179. So far, it's smooth sailing as early as 4:40 a.m. When we arrive, mahaba na yung pila sa labas, mostly elderly mga nakapila. They have this priority polling place dito sa ground floor for PWD, senior citizens, pregnant voters, making it accessible para dun sa mga naka-wheelchairs and crutches. Yung isang nakausap natin, nakaboto siya in the span of 10 minutes, so that's relatively fast. Most of the senior citizens na nakausap natin decided to vote early para iwasan yung init ng araw and at the same time yung crowd. So meron ding priority polling place sa itaas nitong 10-story building na to, pero meron naman silang elevator. Pero nakita natin unti-unti nang nagkakaroon din ng pila sa elevator. This school is also close to one of the mayoral aspirant running for the city stop post, Isko Moreno. Yung Rosario Almario Elementary School is where Moreno studied for elementary. It's also one of his flagship projects during his administration. Pinatayo niya ito. This is an air-conditioned 10-story building na isa sa pinagmamalaki na during his campaign in the past few weeks. Aside from that, incumbent Manila Mayor Honey Lacuna is expected to vote at around 10 a.m. sa Legarda Elementary School. The same goes for Congressman Sam Versosa, who is eyeing the mayoral seat. Si Isko Moreno naman will be voting dito sa Manuel L. Quezon Elementary School, which is just a few blocks away from this place at 10 a.m. So yeah, this battle here in Manila is a battle between allies turned rivals. Isko Moreno is fighting against the incumbent mayor, Honey Lacuna, na dati niyang vice mayor noong 2019. In 2019, they fight together. Moreno ran for mayor, vice for Honey Lacuna. Tinalo ni Isko Moreno si dating Pangulo at dating Manila Mayor Joseph Estrada. And in 2022, Moreno launched a presidential campaign. Sadly, he lost in that campaign. Yung Manila City Hall, pinagkatiwala niya naman kay Honey Lacuna, and Honey won in that race. Although, after that election, meron doon pagkausap si Honey and Isko Moreno, promising Honey na hindi na raw tatakbo ng local office si Isko Moreno. But here we are in 2025, they are now facing each other for the city stop post.